Alright, let's take a look at number 19. For number 19, it says a television set costs $350 cash. When bought on hire purchase, a deposit of $35 is required, followed by 12 monthly payments of $30. How much money is saved by paying cash? This is what we call a hire purchase question. Now, for hire purchase, the formula is for hire purchase deposit plus total monthly payments, or it could even be total weekly payments. So in this particular question, they gave us a deposit. So if we look back again, our deposit was what? 35, also known as our down payment. And we had to pay for 12 months, we had to pay what? $30. So let's work that out. So $35 deposit plus we're paying $30 for 12 months. So counter this, we multiply first. 12 times 3, that's 36, and add on a 0, so that's 360. So we're going to add on the 35 to the 360. Let's work that out. Alright, 6 plus 3, 9. Bring on the 3. So $395 is the hire purchase. But in the question early on, they had asked us to do what? How much money is saved by paying cash? We want to find the amount of money that we would have actually have saved. So what we're going to do, we're going to subtract the higher purchase price and the original cash price. The original cash price was what? 350. So if we subtract, we bring down the 5. 5 from 9 is 4. So we actually left with what? $45. That's the amount of money we've saved. So in our choice, our answer would have been what? D. Alright, let's look at another question now. Let's look at number 20. Number 20. Mr. Jones bought a car for $64,000. The car depreciates by 20% in the first year and 10% in each of the following years. The value of the car at the end of the second year was, this is definitely a depreciation question. So it's very important when you do a multiple choice for you to take note of what topic or topics is in that question. So let's deal with this particular question. So during the first year, so we started out with an initial cost price of $64,000. So it says 20%, right? 20% depreciation for the first year. So what we're going to do, we're going to find 20% of the $64,000. So that's 20 over 100 times 64,000 over 1. Cancel out the zeros. So we're going to multiply 20 by 640. So 640 times 20. Let's work out that. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 6 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12. So we end up with now 12,800. This is our depreciation 1. But what we need to do, we need to first find out how much would it actually car would be at the end of the first year. So what we're going to do, we're going to subtract the answer we got, the 12,800 from the 64,000. So let's do that. 8 from 0 we can't, we borrow 1 from the 4 from 3. So 8 from 10 leave you with 2. 2 from 3 is 1, and then 1 from 6 is 5. So we end up with 51,200. That is the value of the car at the end of the first year. Alright? But they say now they want to find for 2 years. And remember they say after the first year, every other year it depreciates by 10%. So what we're going to do, we're going to find 10% of this 51,000. So that's 10 over 100 times the 51,200 over 1. Let's cancel out where it's possible. 10 times 512, that will give us what? $5,120. That would actually be our depreciation 2. But we're not finished. We need to find out the value of this car at the end of 2 years.